In this video guide, I will give you instructions that will help you to effectively get rid of the ransomware called BlackSun. You will also find out how to protect your data from being encrypted with all other ransomware samples. So BlackSun ransomware encrypts files and keeps them inaccessible until a ransom is paid. It renames encrypted files by appending the BlackSun extension. So in this video, I will show you what exactly happens with your files after they get encrypted. Before the ransomware actually attacks the computer, you will be able to open your files without any complications. This includes Microsoft Office files, pictures, images, music, video files, and other data. However, as soon as the ransomware actually attacks your computer, it starts immediately encrypting the data. And as I said before, the BlackSun extension will be given to all your information. So currently, I'm still able to open some files, but once the BlackSun ransomware completes its malicious function, it will no longer let you open your files. It will also change the desktop wallpaper on your screen, and now you can see that the wallpaper has been changed and this special BlackSun extension has been given. Also, the ransomware creates the special BlackSun README file in the folders that have been modified by the ransomware. So it says that you need to pay the ransom. The ransom is 10,000 euro. That's a tremendous amount of money. And there is no guarantee that you would get your files back even if you pay the ransom. We strongly advise that you immediately get rid of this BlackSun ransomware from your computer, and we suggest you to do that with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. Combo Cleaner functions not only as antivirus, but it's a great anti-ransomware that will help you to protect your files from being encrypted in the future. So download the software and start examining your system to make sure that this particular BlackSun ransomware is completely removed and your files are protected. Once you start Combo Cleaner antivirus, you need to select your preferred scan type. The trial mode of the program, however, only gives you quick scan, so you have no other option available. The premium version of the software also gives you full system scan and custom scan. After this scan type is selected or you choose the quick scan type in the trial mode, click on Start Scan button. The program, even in the trial mode, will help you to fully analyze your computer, and you will be able to see the complete summary of all threats that were found during the scanning. But of course, you can also clearly see that the program might first update its anti-malware database in order to make sure that all the threats are properly detected during the scan. And you should not actually cancel this process because this is crucial for proper malware detection and removal. So after the anti-malware database is successfully updated, the program will begin the analysis of your computer, and then you will see the summary of all threats that were found during the scan. The scanning may take a while. It depends on how infected your computer is, but pay attention to some features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. You may go to Settings, select Anti-ransomware tab, and you will be able to add the special folder which will be protected against all possible ransomware attacks. However, remember that this particular feature is the part of the premium license only. So at the end of scanning, the program will give you the summary of all threats that were found during the scan. and you'll be able to know their exact location on your computer, so you may remove each specific threat manually, one threat at a time, or you may consider upgrading to the premium version to remove all such threats automatically.